Ladies and gentlemen, as we step into 2026, one truth is clearer than ever. Starting a business is no longer only for people with big money, fancy offices, or years of experience. Today, opportunity belongs to beginners, people with curiosity, consistency, and the courage to start small. In 2026, technology, remote work, and digital platforms have completely changed the rules of business. You don't need to invent something new. You simply need to solve simple problems in smarter ways. Let's talk about the easiest beginner businesses to start in 2026. Businesses that require low investment, minimal risk, and skills you can learn quickly. First, AI-powered service businesses. AI is no longer the future, it is the present. In 2026, businesses are not asking if they should use AI. They are asking who can help them use it. This creates a massive opportunity for beginners. You don't need to build AI tools. You can use existing ones. Services like AI content creation, AI customer support setup, AI automation for small businesses, and AI video editing are in high demand. Small business owners want faster results but don't want to learn new tools themselves. If you can save them time, they will pay you. This business needs almost zero investment. Just a laptop, internet, and practice. Your value is not coding, but understanding problems and offering solutions. Second, short-form video content agency. In 2026, attention is currency. Short videos on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and other emerging platforms dominate marketing. Every brand wants visibility, but most don't know how to create consistent, engaging short videos. If you can edit videos, write hooks, add captions, or repurpose long content into short clips, you already have a business. This is beginner-friendly because skills can be learned in weeks, not years. Free and affordable tools make editing easier than ever. Clients don't care about perfection. They care about consistency and results. Start with small creators, local businesses, or coaches, and grow with them. Third, digital products for micro-niches. In 2026, people don't buy information, they buy clarity. Digital products like PDFs, templates, planners, checklists, prompts, and mini courses are extremely easy to start. The secret is not creating a big product. The secret is solving one specific problem for one specific audience. For example, a daily planner for freelancers, resume templates for fresh graduates, or content calendars for small YouTubers. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly with no extra cost. This makes it one of the simplest and most scalable beginner businesses. Fourth, freelancing with one skill. Freelancing remains one of the easiest entry points into business in 2026, but with one important rule. Don't try to do everything. Choose one skill. Just one. Writing, design, video editing, research, voiceovers, social media management, or no-code website building. Businesses prefer specialists, not generalists. You don't need to be the best in the world. You need to be reliable, responsive, and improving every month. Platforms, communities, and direct outreach make it easier than ever to find clients globally. Freelancing teaches you sales, communication, time management, and value creation, the foundation of every successful business. Fifth, local service businesses with a modern twist. While everyone chases online trends, local services remain powerful and underrated. In 2026, people still need cleaning, organizing, tutoring, fitness coaching, repair services, and event support. The difference? Add technology and branding. Online booking, WhatsApp communication, simple websites, digital payments, and social media presence can instantly separate you from competitors. These businesses are easy to start, generate cash flow quickly, and can later be expanded into teams or franchises. Sixth, print-on-demand and personalized products. Print-on-demand has matured in 2026, making it easier for beginners. Customized products like mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, planners, and gifts sell because people love personalization. You don't manage inventory. You focus on design, marketing, and understanding customer emotions. When combined with social media trends and niche targeting, this becomes a low-risk entry into e-commerce. Seventh, knowledge-based coaching or consulting. If you are just one step ahead of someone else, you can help them. In 2026, people value real experience more than degrees. Fitness guidance, productivity coaching, study strategies, language learning, career advice. These are all beginner-friendly if you focus on results, not perfection. Start small, one-on-one sessions, group calls, or online workshops. As confidence grows, systems grow. Closing message. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for the perfect idea. In 2026, success does not come from perfect planning. It comes from fast learning and consistent action. Choose a business that matches your current skills, start with what you have, and improve as you go. The easiest business is not the one that makes the most money overnight. It's the one you can start today and stick with tomorrow. Remember this, small steps, taken daily, build businesses that change lives. Thank you. And may 2026 be the year you stop waiting and start building.